Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Here today will be, let's see how we can sign up for xMail. Of course, Elon Musk just released um, xMail. xMail to I think Elon Musk wants to mess up with Google and Microsoft and the rest of the guys. They've been quite a number of attempts to compete with folks like Gmail and Microsoft, the Microsoft emails and Outlook or something. And those attempts have not been successful, I would say. For example, Proton, it's a good competitor that promises more security and more privacy. And of course, after testing it, I can say, yeah, they're doing a pretty good job. But, Google has the money, Microsoft has the money. So competing with them is like, but then Elon Musk has the money too. So, for example, xMail is saying that to turn your mail from a messy one like this, frank.sinatra27328 at gmail.com. Act fast and grab a free custom email like frank at xmail.com. And all emails forward to your old inbox. Okay, so this for the fact that you have frank at xmail.com doesn't mean that you're doing away with frank.sinatra 27323 at gmail.com is dead. Okay, you still have your emails from xmail forward to your gmail, which is a good one. Plus, get a personalized link like https at frank.xmail.com. This is wonderful, guys. So, upgrade your online presence now. So, for example, to sign up, I'm going to send an interest. I'll say Joe Teaser at xmail.com and then submit my interest. Okay, so your name at xmail.com, easy sharing and optimized network, which is practical name.xmail.com. Uh, so you see the boost personal branding. So for example, you care so much about your personal branding. You want a situation where you send people email and it's personalized. Then you want to sign up for xmail. So register your interest now. So what you do is just send me your current email, what name you would like your xmail to email to be under, and how much you are willing to pay for it. Either nothing, which is completely free, or $1 a month, $3 dollar a month, or more than $5 a month. So you can get in touch, and they will contact you. So thank you for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Right? So yes, this is how for now. It's not. It's coming soon, as you can see here. So if anybody telling you you can sign up for email, for xmail, they're lying to you. Okay, at least for now. I'm going to, once it's up, of course, I'm going to do a video and show you guys how to sign up for. But you can send an interest. I believe people are sending in interest for their names, and you can too. So I could do something like teaser at xmail.com, right? Yeah, that has been sent. So then I will refresh and then do another one. Joe at xmail.com. Sent that. Okay. I'll do another. So right now, I think you are to uh, almost like bookmark your names, and I will say 365 webx at gmail.com, at xmail.com. Come on. And I will say, I can say, um, okay, I can say maybe like brands.com, and as well say freetech.com, something like that. So you go ahead and do that, and according to them, they will be in touch. So, like I said, xmail is completely free, but of course, it depends on, I think, the features and functions that you want. So you could decide to pay $1 a month, $3 a month, or $5 a month, which for me is not too much for a custom email. So let's see how this goes and how it plays out. Maybe Google did. I think this is a call for Google to sit up. Okay, I mean, um, Google have been, and Microsoft have been, messing around with people. So let's see. Elon Musk is crazy, man. That guy is crazy, and he is not leaving any stone unturned. Let's see how this plays out. Whether it's worth it, I don't know. If it's going to, worth the switch, but let's keep our fingers crossed. And guys, so for now, like I said, you can sign up directly, but you can submit your interest. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.